Welcome to the exciting world of data streaming. In today's fast-paced, data-driven world, organizations are leveraging real-time data to make smarter decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Are you ready to tap into the power of real-time data and revolutionize your business operations? Join us as we delve deep into data streaming, discuss its benefits, and learn about the top tools and technologies in the industry. Let's get started. Data streaming at its core refers to the continuous flow and processing of data in real time, enabling organizations to gather insights and make data-driven decisions on the fly. Unlike traditional batch processing, where data is processed in large chunks at periodic intervals, data streaming processes data as it becomes available, allowing for faster response times and a more agile approach to data management. This dynamic nature of data streaming has made it an indispensable tool for modern businesses. The advantages of data streaming are numerous and far-reaching. Some of the key benefits include real-time insights. Data streaming empowers businesses with real-time data, allowing them to identify emerging trends, monitor performance, and make proactive decisions based on current information. Improved decision-making. Faster access to data enables organizations to make timely, informed decisions that can directly impact their bottom line and competitiveness. Enhanced user experiences. Data streaming can be utilized to deliver personalized content and recommendations to users in real time, resulting in more engaging and relevant experiences. Reduced data latency. By processing data as it becomes available, data streaming minimizes delays in obtaining insights and allows businesses to react more quickly to changing circumstances. Scalability. Data streaming platforms are designed to handle large volumes of data, making it easier for organizations to scale their operations as needed. The data streaming landscape is vast and diverse, with numerous powerful tools and technologies to choose from. Some of the most popular platforms include Apache Kafka, a highly scalable, fault-tolerant, and distributed streaming platform designed for handling real-time data feeds and processing large volumes of data. Amazon Kinesis, a fully managed data streaming service by AWS that simplifies collecting, processing, and analyzing real-time data at scale. Google Cloud Pub/Sub, a messaging service that enables the exchange of messages between independent applications in real time, facilitating data streaming and processing. Apache Flink, an open-source stream processing framework with powerful capabilities for stateful computations over unbounded and bounded data streams. When selecting a data streaming platform, it's crucial to carefully consider your specific use case, requirements, and existing infrastructure to ensure you make the best choice for your organization. A well-architected data streaming pipeline involves several key components, including data ingestion, data processing, and data storage. Here's a closer look at each stage. Data ingestion. This involves collecting data from various sources, such as sensors, log files, or social media feeds, and feeding it into the data streaming platform. Data processing. This is where the raw data is transformed and analyzed in real time. Data streaming platforms often come equipped with built-in processing engines, or can be integrated with third-party engines to perform complex computations, filtering, and aggregations. Data storage. After processing, the results are stored in databases or data warehouses, making them available for further analysis, reporting, and visualization. Choosing the right storage solution depends on factors like data retention policies, query performance requirements, and scalability. By implementing a well-architected pipeline, organizations can ensure that their real-time data is accurate, consistent, and secure, providing a solid foundation for data-driven decision-making. Data streaming has found applications across a wide range of industries and use cases, including financial services, healthcare, logistics, retail, and more. Some of the most compelling examples are real-time fraud detection. Financial institutions can use data streaming to monitor transactions in real time, enabling them to detect fraudulent activities and take immediate action to protect their customers. Personalized marketing campaigns. Retailers can leverage data streaming to analyze customer behavior and preferences in real time, allowing them to tailor marketing campaigns and product recommendations for maximum impact. Predictive maintenance. Manufacturers can use data streaming to monitor equipment performance and identify potential issues before they become critical, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Smart cities. Data streaming enables real-time monitoring and analysis of traffic, public transportation, and environmental conditions, helping city planners optimize urban infrastructure and improve overall quality of life. Healthcare monitoring. Wearable devices and connected medical equipment can generate real-time data streams, enabling healthcare providers to monitor patient health more effectively and respond to emergencies quickly. In conclusion, data streaming has emerged as a game-changing technology that enables organizations to harness the power of real-time data for better decision-making and business success. By understanding the core concepts, benefits, and tools associated with data streaming, you can effectively implement data streaming solutions tailored to your organization's specific needs. As we've seen through various real-world use cases, data streaming has the potential to revolutionize industries, streamline operations, and enhance customer experiences. Embracing data streaming technology is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for businesses to stay competitive in today's fast-paced, data-driven world. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights into the world of data streaming and inspired you to explore its potential further. Remember, the key to success lies in staying informed and adapting to the ever-changing data and technology landscape. Happy streaming, and best of luck on your data-driven journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on the latest trends and technologies. Until next time, happy streaming.